Hi, this is Craig Stocks here talking about PiMagic Studio, and let's look at another example using a one-shot color camera, but this time with a dual narrowband filter. So we'll hop over into PixInsight, and here's our PiMagic window, and we've already selected the object name of Veil, and if I click on Add, I can add my files, and this time I'm going to add both the plain RGB as well as what I call an enhance, and click open. And for output directory, that's our output files. I'll do a quick filter check, and it confirms that it has recognized two different filters here. There's the luminosity RGB, and then also the what I called an enhance filter when I set it up in Voyager, and that has been correctly identified as a dual narrowband HO filter. Now I could have called it anything I want, and if it didn't recognize that that's a dual narrowband, then I would use this drop down to specify that this is in fact a dual narrowband, and it's an HO or hydrogen oxygen dual narrowband. There are also sulfur oxygen dual narrowbands that you might be using. And the nice thing is now PiMagic will remember that setting for me, so the next time I use it, it will recognize my filters. I can auto-detect settings, and it has recognized that we have a color image here, and it's going to apply the usual processing and create both a final and a starless and a stars version. So the defaults here all work extremely well. It also has recognized there's no mono files, so it's not going to try to produce any monochrome output. If I did have, incidentally, if I had individual red, green, and blue, it would process those as RGB and create a combined R plus G plus B image. So it's that simple. I just click Start, and PiMagic is going to do its work in the background. And when it's done, we'll have a set of files ready to go into Photoshop using the AstroMagic tools. I hope you found this useful and helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video.